Thank you for joining us today. My name is Robert Molina with Care Xpress. I'm the CEO.
My name is Michael Sorrentino. I am the Director of Operations.
We're here to talk to you today about the importance of choosing the right facility to repair your customers' vehicles.
Number one, choosing a facility that has the proper certifications with manufacturers to put those vehicles back on the road the way they should be.
That is correct. And here at Care Xpress, we have that. We not only have the equipment, we have the facilities and the right trained personnel to handle that repair.
Absolutely. Right now, we currently hold about 11 CCRC agreements with manufacturers. That includes staff training, that includes technician training, and everything that we need to provide excellent customer service from beginning to end of the repair, all the way through for your and our customer.
And those manufacturers are Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, Sprinter, Honda, Acura, Nissan, Infiniti, Dodge, Chrysler, General Motors, and Ford brands. We are deeply invested not only in training, but in facilities for the proper repairs for these vehicles. Here at Care Express, we have a lot of value-added services to provide your customers with the #1 experience.
Right now, the most important thing that anybody can point out or highlight is COVID. It's all around us everywhere that we are. There's a lot of things that we're doing to these vehicles on the intake side and on the delivery side as far as cleaning, disinfecting, making sure that vehicle is safe not only for our employees on the intake, but for the customer on the delivery side as well. Making sure that car is cleaned inside and out. We offer a hands-free or a touchless drop-off with those vehicles. Customers are coming in, they're being greeted at the front door by employees that are fully clothed in PPE, masks, gloves, and everything that they need to keep themselves and the customers safe throughout the entire process. And in the event we have a customer that doesn't feel comfortable coming to us or coming out of their home, we'll go pick that vehicle up and we'll bring it in, and they get the exact same service all the way through the process as well.
Yeah. And let's not forget to mention, all these services are provided at no additional charge.